Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to convert a PDF file to a JPG file. And for this I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, and this website is highly recommended to do this. So right now we click on PDF to JPG, we select a PDF file that we want to change, so let's say downloads, and I want to transform, let's say, my own signs to a JPG file. Now we can do normal quality, high quality, but for now I want to do this. Now we can do a page to a JPG. So he already knows that this PDF has 6 pages. So he will create for every single page 6 JPG files. So right now if I do convert to JPG images and we click here on this one, we have a locked up file. But right now if I throw it just right here, you can see that if I click on one page, he created a JPG file just right here from every single page of my PDF file. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.